aqua. Vitamins. This is a probiotic. No, that's probiotic. This is B12, and this is keratin and biotin. And we're about to make some coffee. And it is, you see me? December 1st. Okay, coffee, and then we'll go from there. You can see it because of the butt. My hair is naturally super curly, so it's like all, I let it air dry last night, but we are getting ready to go to the gym. And this is my current situation outside. It's raining, but it looks like it cleared up, so we shall see. Oh, it's super orange. Super orange. Alrighty guys, so this is today's outfit. I left my hair natural, so it's just like curly, which is me hair. I haven't left it natural in a long time, so I thought I would just kind of leave it alone. And then I have no makeup on. I just have my favorite lip balm ever, which is the, what is it, the Burt's Bees pomegranate lip balm. I like it because it gives your lips like a little bit of a tint to it, and then it just like moisturizes it. I just put on like a little bit of highlight, if I can even see that, and filled in my brows a little bit, but I have no eye makeup on or foundation or anything like that. Yeah, and then I have on just like this turtleneck gray sweater. It's kind of like a tweed fabric, so it's light gray and like dark gray, and it's just tweeted. Wearing these jeans from Levi's, and I have on my Vans. I just kept it super cash. We're just going to be kind of running around a little bit, probably go see, I have to decorate my Christmas tree at some point today. I have to go to the bank. I want to go visit my grandma, so hopefully I'll be able to go see her. And then I have to go see if I can get a coat hemmed if I have time, and then go to my parents. I have to take Bianca right now to boxing, and then at some point I need to go to Whole Foods and Target. So busy day. And it's also rainy. So this week I got tilapia, and I also picked up some tuna. For lunch this week I'm going to be making a fresh salad, so I will be using these things. I'm going to be putting in some lemon juice, 2 red bell peppers, a yam, and then some tomatoes, and I will also be putting in some of these garbanzo beans. And then I will just, you'll see how I make it tomorrow. I also got apples. I like to snack on these in between, after my breakfast, and in between lunch and between breakfast and lunch. So I got 5 apples for the weekdays. I also picked up some bananas. I love bananas. I'm like a orangutan at some point, because so these I will snack it with, or I will eat them, put them in my oats. Vegan cheese. This one's my fave. This is the Follow Your Heart brand, and it's the dairy-free Parmesan style shredded cheese. I am lactose intolerant, and so I don't eat any dairy, and just in general I don't eat any dairy, so whenever I want something cheesy I'll put that in there. Got some tuna. I got a toothbrush because I was sick the past 2 weeks, and so now I need to get rid of that other toothbrush and get rid of the bacteria. Sure to get the garbanzo beans creamer. Like I said, I don't do any dairy, so this creamer is the vanilla silk almond creamer, and the flavor vanilla. I also typically just drink water throughout the day. I don't really drink anything other than coffee. But these I really like. And then these ones as well. These are pretty interesting because like they don't have any calories, but they taste good. So I don't know. I'm sure they have some sort of hidden sugars in there. I don't know. I have some frozen veggies that I'll probably eat with my fish. I got some Stacy's pita chips, multi-grain ones. I got, this is something I get every week, the organic brown rice. Like I said, I'll probably throw that in with my fish that I eat at night. And then I also got, I don't really eat bread, but because I bought the tuna and I was really craving like tuna sandwiches, I might be mixing it up this week and throwing some of that in there as well. So I got the tuna. I'll probably just do like tuna with a little bit of lemon juice, and I'll put in some of the diced tomatoes and maybe some of the bell peppers. We'll see. So I got this one from Whole Foods. It's the Touch O Honey bread with rolled oats. I don't know. I really like honey oat bread, so I got this one. Yeah, that's it. So now we are going to put that all away. I'm going to clean the apartment because it's a hot ass mess. And then I'm going to take out all my Christmas decorations and decorate the apartment. So everything's put away in here. Okay, and vacuumed, cleaned. You guys will see clips. So I put up the little pillows. No, we'll do an official tour. We'll do an official tour after. But now I have to go and get everything out of the closet. What do you guys think? Hold on, I have to turn it on. Yeah? Do you guys like it? This was my theme last year. I like really classic colors. So I did like the white, the silvers, like the sparkly colors, and then I did like this blue. And so some of these little ones have like a little bit of a blue tint. And then like that one's blue with sparkles. This one's blue, but it's like chrome. Got some white ones. Got a little pretty pink one over here. So I kept it very classic. Yeah, I'm gonna just go watch a movie and then go to bed. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me today, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.